As many people hit the road for Thanksgiving week, the mountains are getting hit with a major snowstorm. Here's a live look at CDOT along I-70 near Loveland Pass. No snow right now, but it's coming, we promise. The people on the roads right now are saying, we're smart, we're going now. Major impacts are expected tomorrow and Wednesday.
Weather Impact Team meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen's one of the smart ones. He knows all about this stuff. Big storm on the way. Corey, what are you seeing right now, though, in Genesee?
Yeah, pretty light traffic coming out of Denver into the mountains, and hopefully that means that people have already gotten to where they need to be, because we do have a very high impact storm coming very late tonight, which means you have about 7 or 8 more hours to conveniently get to your location in the mountains. A lot of people like to spend Thanksgiving holiday in the mountains, so if you want to do that conveniently, you get there before midnight. That's the best advice that we can give you. And they're just general normal traffic tonight, so hopefully everyone's gotten to where they need to be. So that there's going to be some inconvenience with this storm traveling, but for the most part, snow in the mountains is good news, and especially when it comes to the mountain snowpack. If you take a look at the snowpack as it sits currently, we had a little boost overnight with a little storm, and that's gotten up our snowpack to 6% above average. Still a little tilted, favoring the south, but this storm is going to equally hit the entire high country, possibly with 1 to 2 feet of snow, which means that we may be carrying for the first time in 4 years, an above average record into the month of December, which is great news, because that's when we're talking about our drinking water for the next summer. So good and bad news coming with this storm. Mostly what I like to focus on is the good news with the big snow, but please be careful with the inconvenience with this storm. I-70 here, even in Genesee, all the way up into the high country, is going to be a mess tomorrow into Wednesday. Reporting live from Genesee, I'm meteorologist Corey Reppenhagen for the 9 News Weather Impact Team.